Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, the pound actually continued down very, very hard today. And if you saw my video this morning, I believe I said that I would definitely be very cautious trying to go long, and I would even try to go long unless we had a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have. This last leg is very stretched out, so even if it does go up, which it probably will, because we are at a Fibonacci level from the daily time frame, it's probably just going to be another small correction and another push down eventually. I mean, until we get some sort of break of structure, preferably on like the 4 hour time frame and up, the trend is down, and the trend is definitely your friend, and we may even be in a wave 3 on the higher time frames. And if we are in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, then this trend may have a long ways to go to the downside. If and when it does break structure to the upside, I would take my Fibonacci retracement, put it on the series of lower lows, lower highs, and I would personally still be looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullback and Fibonacci bounces. So, like I said, I mean, I would be very cautious looking for anything beyond shorts. I would not really be looking for longs at all. Even if it does break structure, I think it's probably just going to be another correction to the last series of lower lows, lower highs, and I would still be looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.